Hello students, welcome to online lecture of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for class 2, subject AVS, lesson Plants Around Us. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of lesson is Plants Around Us. Children, we will study about this lesson in two parts. Part 1, Plant and its parts. Part 2, Types of plants. So let us begin with our first part, that is Plant and its parts. Plant and its parts. Children, plants are also living things like us. They need food, air, and water to live. Plants also have different body parts like us. Their body parts are different from animals, birds, or human beings. Now we will study about parts of plant. Children, with the help of this picture, we will learn about different parts of plant. So let us begin. This part is called as root. It fixes the plant to the ground. Children, a plant has many roots. Next, this part is called as stem. It can be hard or soft. Children, the stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Next, this part is called as leaf. It is usually green in color. Children, the leaf makes food for the plant. Next, flower. This part is called as flower. Children, flowers are of many colors and types. Next, this part is called as fruit. There are different kinds of fruits. Children, a fruit contains seeds. Let me show you. As you can see in the picture, the seeds are present inside the fruit. With this, we end our part 1, that is plant and its parts. Now let us move ahead towards our part 2, that is types of plant. Children, in this part, we will study about different types of plant. Let us begin. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Children, these are the 5 different types of plant. We will study about each type one by one. So let us begin. Trees. Some plants are big in size. They are called trees. Children, all the tall and huge plants are called as trees. They have thick and broad stems. Children, the stems of big trees are very thick, strong, and broad. They usually live for many years. Children, these big trees live for many years. For example, banyan tree, coconut tree, apple tree. Children, as you can see in the picture, these trees are big in size. Also, they have thick and broad stem. Shrubs. Some plants are small in size. Also, they have a strong and woody stem. They are called shrubs. Children, the stems of shrubs are very strong and woody. For example, rose, hibiscus, sunflower. They are called as shrubs. Children, as you can see in the picture, they all have strong stem. Herbs. Some plants are very small in size and have weak and soft stem. They are called herbs. For example, mint. We also call it pudina. Basil. We also call it tulsi. Coriander. Children, these are the herbs. As you can see in the picture, the stems of these herbs are very weak. Climbers. Some plants with weak stems cannot stand straight. They need support from other things to grow. Children, there are some plants whose stems are so weak that they cannot stand straight. They need support of other things to grow. Such plants are called climbers. For example, grapevine, money plant and pea plant. Children, as you can see in the picture, these plants need support to grow. Hence, they are called climbers. Creepers. Some plants grow and spread on the ground. They are called creepers. Children, there are some plants which do not grow straight but spread on the ground. For example, watermelon plant, muskmelon plant and pumpkin plant. Children, as you can see in the pictures, these plants grow by spreading on the ground. So, these were the 5 types of plant. With this, we end our lesson, Plants Around Us.